Mr. Gay, we're back with another video. It's your girl Renee, man, and the boys in the back getting ready to go to school, y'all. Just out early and trying to make sure the boys off to school. So your boy here. Hey, where y'all going? Say something to the game.
What's up?
What?
What's up, Mr. Gay?
Y'all, this your boy Kelly. Pointing in the cut. D done left us, y'all. He already the first one out of here. He ain't got no feeling. Hey, man, so we here. Boy, Big D, what they do, man? Ugly. Let me stop. Vaughn in the cut. Vaughn, we finna go drop Vaughn off to school now. So y'all, we finna head out of here. He head off to school. I'ma get D. He's so mean. Yeah, but Mr. Gang, we're back with another level. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully me and Dad's gonna surprise the boys today. So, but y'all stay tuned for today. If you're new to this channel, y'all go ahead and hit that notification bell, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe and come on, be a part of the game, Mr. Gang, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, y'all, we up in here, so y'all stay tuned. We love you guys. And don't forget to stay with the Lord. You hear me? You hear me for real, though? See you guys soon. You guys, Vontae made it to school, so we waiting to let him go in. So, and them and Dad's gonna be on our journey today, thanking God for a new day, right, babe? Say something to the game, babe. Say something to the game. Anyways, y'all, so we're gonna get back with y'all, but Vaughn is getting ready to go home.
Some Vegas arena down.
Your boy, shut up. Making no sense. Yeah, so get back. Going off to school. Bye-bye. Hey, Mr. Gang, so you guys were up and out. The kids are off to school, and your girl Renee's here, and Big D. So the secret is for the boys, you guys, is we're getting a bigger ride. Yes. Anyways, so me and Dad headed now to go and search for a bigger ride. You know, since I lost my sister, my nephew joined us. I already have 5 sons plus my grandson, plus me and Bay. So you guys, we're just going to get a bigger ride for the family. And we just want y'all guys to stay tuned for it because it's going to be a lit moment. And also, we're headed out of here soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. We headed out of town for Christmas soon, so it's going to be like lit. We have to make room for the family and head out of here. So some of you know, some of you don't know, we're headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. So y'all stay tuned for that one. We'll be heading on that Christmas trip for the kids. Also, celebration for our birthdays on this month as well, December and November and October, you guys. The family's gonna celebrate. But anyways, yes, so we're headed there now. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a lit moment today, and we're gonna take you guys with us. How about that? Yes, so you guys, we having breakfast right now. Dave's having his breakfast. We're eating now. Get a little breakfast to the place open at 9, so we're gonna eat. We're gonna get back with you all. So you guys, we out checking out some things right now. So we're here, made it to the car lot, so we're gonna check this Taiho out. So stay tuned, peeps. We are here. What happened now? Well, we didn't find nothing yet.
I couldn't find nothing, man.
Yeah, we gonna get rich, y'all. We going up a little more. I don't like what I see. It's not that. grand. Oh my. We're headed up to another car lot. You guys are headed to another one. They don't have any trucks here, so we're gonna head over to another car lot. So you guys been, oh yeah, this is really nice. So you guys, we're up here at another car lot in Miami, checking out one. So we're gonna look around and get back with y'all. It's gonna get a little steep, but gotta look now. Time is pressing. So we're gonna get back with you all, but we here, we made it. But it's so crazy. I'm gonna beat you though. Hey, Mr. Gang, so you guys, I'm leaving IKEA right now. Heading to get the boys from school. So y'all, the surprise is on, and the girl is on the road. Y'all stay tuned, Mr. Gang. You guys, I got your boy Vaughn.
I miss again. I just came out of school.
Yeah, so we're finna head back on this road, y'all. Stay tuned, man. Yeah, so I got my boy Vaughn with me. We're finna head back on the road again. So, Mr. Gang, we pulled up for the other kids, the other boys. I'm gonna get them, and then we're gonna head over to the surprise, you guys. Stay tuned for the surprise. But anyways, y'all, I'm driving. I got a headache. And I need some water, and I finally get it now. I'm in the truck. I have to run around and do some other things. Oh my God, it's like no more water. Stop. Yes, I'm gonna get with y'all when we get to the surprise, y'all soon. Once again, y'all, thank y'all for strolling with us, because my family, we deserve the best, and the best is yet to come for the Mystics. And those who are watching, if you believe the best is yet to come for y'all as well, then it shall come to pass. Y'all stay tuned. Lord, man, this makeup on my eye and all this other stuff on my face. What is that? One tell you, you're not going to help me get this out of my face. He trying to find out what I'm doing. What is that? Makeup? I ain't put that much on. That's a glitter? Oh, you know what? I'm so slow. I'm not slow, but I'm just talking. Y'all stay tuned because the other crew finna come, so I'm gonna get back with y'all. So, but listen, y'all stay tuned now because this girl is coming back. We over here, and the buses are at the gate, so I'm waiting at the gate as well. I don't want to do too much video and show, but I'm here, y'all. Boys are in, Markel and Quan in the car. Yeah. We waiting on D, Slowpoke. Ready to go. D made it, you guys. He right here. Say hi, D, to the gang. Hi.
What's up, Mr. Gang? You gotta be fluent, cuz.
I ain't. Tell them good. Tell them good. Let me start, y'all. We gonna get with y'all. Y'all ready for y'all surprise? Hey. Y'all ready for y'all surprise? All right, get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Boy. Y'all ain't spend any of y'all money, did it?
Like, I ain't buy no type of clothes.
So you guys, I'm headed to this surprise for the children, but this one, Holy Spirit activate, knock them clean out. Hey. But anyways, we're headed down to the surprise for the boys, and they're up. Some are asleep. Vaughn knocked the devil out. So I guess he's been, we can catch up later. But yes, we on this road, you guys. You gotta stay tuned to the missus, man. Kobe. Kobe. Okay. Okay. I did it again. Yes, sir. Shower.
And how you guys doing?
Yeah. Right, babe? I'm at him. Yes. I got you. Guys, we are done and we're heading out to our car. So you guys stay tuned for that. Boy, I'm telling you, God is good. You guys, we trust it and believe it. 10 years later, sold to the same people from the same guy, but we're lit and ready to go see our new car. So y'all ready? Y'all ready? Gotta go get the boys so they can see it, but we're gonna get back with y'all. Hey, you guys, the kids are coming out and we're headed over to the car, you guys. Running. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, this is it, you guys. Where's your brother? This the new ride piece. Yeah, babe. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. So the crew is here. Where did he go? He sleep? Bye. How you like? Good. How you like it, Kelly?
You take my car.
It don't matter. You
like
alright
the
in?
car,
If I got, if I'm right, if I got you.
I like that.
Oh, thank you, babe. What is? Bro, he say, yo. Yeah. Love it, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Y'all like the car?
That's what you guys do.
I know that's right.
Every one of you has a email account. Mom has my business card with my name.
Oh, yeah.
Go to and write nice review.
Nice with you.
Each one of you.
Okay.
Can I call on that?
We can count on y'all on the car.
my side.
We will.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. See how you like it? All right, y'all. We're going to give it with y'all. Ooh, that's what I love. I
When
didn't
you
even
have
get
to
to see
fly
the
this,
car.
is just right here.
Wow.
carry
Oh
something?
my God, let me turn it. Oh my goodness. Deep, y'all got enough room. This is lit. Wow, this is awesome.
All of the side, if you have to carry something, you have all the room there.
Show enough. Oh man. That's lit, that's lit. I'm excited, y'all. Oh my God, I miss it. What?
They gonna have a camera right there, so y'all.
Y'all when we back up, show enough.
The camera here?
Yep.
It is?
Yeah. There's a camera back there when you're back up. Yeah, this is 2019. It's a 2019, baby. My baby always hungry.
Go in there and go get
Oh,
the
yeah.
coffee.
You know what it is?
What D went, babe? All right, you guys, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get on in this beautiful truck, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour in a few.
All right, Mr. Gang, decided to buy my family a vehicle, brand new vehicle. So this is the key. I'm not gonna go in the back with the license plate that you guys can see where I live if you do that. So my wife is gonna drive home. And this is the Kia. We're gonna head to Vegas. Let me see if I can open this for y'all.
This was lovely for the Mystics, you guys.
We're gonna head to Vegas. This is inside. Seat, sit up. This is inside, leather seat. Cloth, we need to put some covers on that. Then you come around here. New tires. This is how it looks, man. This is how it look. This is our first time ever having a brand new vehicle. This is our first look. So you guys, we're gonna have fun in Vegas. Pray for us. We love you all. Say something.
Yeah. We'll catch up with y'all. We love y'all for watching.
This is 2021, baby.
Hey, you guys, thank y'all for watching. We're gonna hit y'all back up. So y'all, we love you guys. Thank y'all for watching. God has been good to us, and I'm excited about this. The kids are excited. They excited. God did it again. All I can say, y'all, hit you back up. Love you guys. Stay with the Lord now.
A few moments later.
Hey, you guys. So I made it to the other boys. Well, one of the other boys, my nephew PJ, part of the fam. So I'm finna see his face expression, you guys. It's lit. PJ. PJ. He gone?
Block Junior in.
Where he at?
We gotta move.
PJ. PJ left? Come here.
Brian. PJ.
Come here. Come say something to Miss again. We vlogging, man. What they do, boy?
Oh, I got the car.
That's good. You just wake it up. Say hey to the game, man.
What's up, Mr.
You see the ride, bro?
Yeah.
Oh boy, how you like it? That's what's popping. He was in there knocked out, y'all. Yeah, nephew here now. Dylan out with us right now, so I gotta see him tonight so y'all to see his face expression. Well, yeah, we here. Look at him. Oh God, man, you see that, man? Nah, man, this ain't no runner, man. Ain't no runner up in here. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what? You just press this button right here, and it opens. Wow, you hear that? That's God's doing, baby. Yes, I don't know if y'all can really see, but this is huge, y'all. It's huge and beautiful.
Oh, see,
Yeah,
I
I
took the
love
white
it.
one back.
No, baby, that's still ours, too.
Oh, that's still
Yeah.
Oh, let me go put on.
So Dylan gonna be in that one. Going to do with it in that car.
Okay.
So, but yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get to Dylan. So it's gonna be a while, but I'm gonna get to y'all. But yeah, we here.
Later.
Hey, Mr. Gang, y'all, we are back. We here to get Dylan right now. We're trying to get his expression. He's not gonna know that we're in the new ride, but we're headed to him right now, y'all. Stay tuned for that. And we just want to get his reaction on the new ride, y'all. So we've been riding along to pick up Dylan. So we'll see you soon. This him?
Yep, that's
Yeah.
That's him.
Hey, baby.
What's up, Dylan?
You ready?
Say hi to the vlog. It's literally dark. It's dark out here.
It's dark, though.
It's dark. Why is it not opening?
Hold on. Let me turn on the phone. Oh, like that.
It's nice. I like that it's black and not white.
Yeah.
We always getting white, shaggy cars.
I know, Raj.
Get on in. Let me see.
How do you like?
Oh, roomy, spacious.
Oh, you know.
I'm sitting in front.
You know it's a house, right?
You can't.
What you think is a rental?
It's not a rental?
No, this is us. Yes, this is us. Look at that face, y'all. Look at that face. No lying. Yes.
This is nice.
Y'all, we gonna get in with y'all. I gotta drive. Mr. K, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mr. K, we love y'all. Thank y'all for riding with us today. I got the reactions, y'all. Comment down below. Don't forget
Where
now.
the food at?
Boys at that. Anyways, peace out, Mr. Game. Love y'all.